Yo, welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to another video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have some new characters. I have not done a video on this. I just want to show you this little card. A character, so of course, let's go ahead and get into a fight, alright? Bro, go on. Copy? Are you copying my friend? Yeah, that's what I thought. Move, boy. Alright, I'm gonna select the character. Just get ready. Like, just sit back and relax. Hold on, that's a new character. Flame God. I've never heard of him. Anyway, just sit back, relax, and watch the fight. Alright, now we here. Let's get it. Let's get it, my boys. Load in. Just sit back. Enjoy the fighting. There we get it. Anyways, yeah, I told you. I'm going to tell you why this is overpowered. Look at him. Look at him. He looks pretty overpowered, correct? Yes, correct. Look at this. Which one's way overpowered, huh? Wait, guys, that's it. Not my dog, No! Bruh, hold on. My stuff was, like, locked on him. Like, why every time I do that, it does that to me? Wait, where's my stamina? Why is it hiding my stamina? And enjoy it just like a movie. Enjoy it. That's okay. He won't be alive. Got tricked. Alright, I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna show up like a good person, correct? I'm gonna bring my dog out and bring some stamina. Let's just try to use that. Bruh, how am I dying so many times? What the f***ing hell? Sorry, YouTube, but I can't figure this out. Tell me how to be my own man. Stop walking onto him. Alright, guys, we rematch it because, like, that's just crazy, so we got a rematch. Yeah, we rematching, right? Teleporting? Alright, but now we're here. Yeah. And his character is definitely legendary, correct? Like mine. It's like in Fortnite, I don't really need to do anything to like do that a little bit. Is that correct? He can't leave by himself, but, let's just do a couple of seconds. Okay. Got him. We do another hello sign. That'll have to mean we're like friends, correct? Yes, correct. Stop using those baby clothes on me. Little baby. Put that in the hole. You watch me? Yeah. Nah, quit it. You look like you studying anyways, bro. Who is that tornado on me? Come use it on my face, bro. Hey. on with you in this guy. How's that? I'm not with you in this guy, boy. How's that? How's that? I'm gonna take you this guy. See what I'm doing? Tripping. You don't know what to do. You can see, boy. Let's just let us hold on. Why this character he can use those, correct? That's the hoodie. Now let me get my weapon. And look at him now. And boom. Got a new one. Got some more wings to flex. Some more. Alright, now we're back at the lobby. Like, the more wins you get, like, the more stuff you can get. Dang, hold on, he's overpowered, huh? But why are most of these guys locked? Like, how much is he? Let me go to quest. Yeah, I don't care about them. I guess I'm calling now, but like, I don't want her, right? Sorry, I just don't. Like my daily spin. Come on, give me something good. Bruh, I don't want that. Stop always giving me something bad. Like, bruh. Stop giving me stuff that's bad. Now here's my inventory. Not that bad, I guess. Still trying to look for good characters. So sorry today's probably not a good video. I don't even think my videos are good for y'all. But if they aren't, I don't give a fuck at all. Watch it or don't. Yeah, I guess that's it. You know, how the hell am I supposed to get Mako? No, sorry buddy, how the hell am I supposed to get him? I got 30k coins, right? Maybe these are like, yeah, maybe these are players that aren't added in yet. Yeah, that's probably it. Anyways, if you enjoyed the fight, go ahead and subscribe.